Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to send your location on the Telegram PC app using the latest update. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to chat. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send your location. Whether it's a friend, family member, or even a group, just click on their chat to open the conversation. Once you're in the chat, look for the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip or a plus sign. Hover your mouse over this icon, and you'll see a few options pop up. From here, select Location. This will bring up a map interface where you can easily pinpoint where you are. Now take a moment to adjust the map if needed. You can zoom in or out to find the exact spot you want to share. When you've found the perfect location, click on Select to confirm it. Finally, to send your location, simply click on Send this location. And that's it. Your location will be shared in the chat, making it easy for your friends or family to find you. Remember, sharing your location is great for coordinating meetups or letting someone know where you are. Just be sure to share it with trusted contacts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great tips on using Telegram and other apps. See you next time.